Welcome back to Wave of Wealth. I'm Nick, and today I'm gonna teach you how to use Google Maps to make some money. So yeah, guys, please pay attention, listen to me carefully. You can do it from anywhere in the world. So let's get started. First thing first that I'm gonna show you, of course, is this. We are at Google Maps, guys. I know you must be, guys, sometimes, somewhere in your life using that. So you know that every single possible thing that exists in this world, I mean, of course, 90% of them, we're talking about legal stuff, are existing on Google Maps, guys. So what do we want to do here? This right here, for example, New York, this is just the beginning part of the video. So this is step number one, guys. In the New York, you have plenty of clients. I know it sounds pretty unfamiliar for you, pretty strange for you if you're not living in New York, if you're not living in the United States or something like that. But yes, in New York, you have plenty of clients. But this video is for complete beginners, so please, as I already mentioned, guys, listen to me carefully. Now I'm going to explain to you how to take leverage of Google Maps. So we all know that there's plenty of small businesses, maybe not in this such big towns, but in small towns, guys, there's plenty of small businesses that does not have good social media marketing, does not have good SEO and everything, guys. So yeah, as I said, you're a complete beginner. I understand that. So you do not need any experience in that in order to take some money from these small businesses, and also you can help them grow. So let's see how this win-win situation actually work. For example, right here we can go, guys, and see find some small businesses. It ain't matter which one. It can be a plumber, it can be a roofer, it can be an electrician, guys, it can be some agent, I mean, I don't know, some tourist agent, guys, a real estate agent. In ain't matter. It has to be a small business that you can actually help grow and attract more pairs of eyes, more clients, more profit for them, and that equals always more profit for you. So right here, for example, we can go right here, guys, and see plumber New York, for example. Let's just check it out and see what will pop up. We have Manhattan, for example. So we can check it out, guys. 50 reviews, 4.3 stars, 3.4 stars, guys, 14 reviews, 4.7, 1,200 reviews, guys, and everything. And you can check it out, and you must be wondering, what is the difference? Why is this one right here with 4.3 stars on the #1 place, and why is this with 4.7 stars, guys, and 1.2 thousand here? So what we need to know, guys, is that how Google actually is doing ranking on his page on Google Maps as well and everything. It's a code when it's website, guys. It's a code, how clean code is. That means that your website will be more up, guys, in the searches. And right here we can see the informations are the key section. #1 right here we can see, guys, for example, you have work time, guys. You have a street. You have right here the mails and everything, guys, the phone number, guys. You can check it out, plenty of stuff right here, guys, for you. So what we need to do here, as I mentioned before, is to go, guys, right here straight away to the small place. As I said, this right here, you can do it, but in my opinion, you have to be a social media expert, guys. So yeah, we need to go right here. I'm sorry, I just switched the language for you so you can check it out, guys. Something that I mentioned before right here, from website, working hours, street, and everything, guys. Every single possible information that you want to find out about this plumber particular is already here. So that's why it's the top search, top rank in searches. And what I mentioned before, you need a small place. For example, we're going to talk about right here, go plumber Nantucket. Nantucket, small, beautiful island right here, guys. But yes, you can see it's already a different story. Why? Because of everything I said, guys. There is not that much people, there is not that much reviews and everything. And right here you can check it out, guys, for yourself. There is a 3, 2, 1, 37, 50, of course, that's okay, but you can check it out. #1 search is plumber supply co Nantucket, 13 reviews, guys, 4.8 stars right here. But as I mentioned, right here we get 5-star clean, but 5 reviews, guys. And why is down here? Where is the website? Where are plenty of other informations, working hours, everything, guys? So this is our potential client, one of them. I mean, in Nantucket particularly, I think every single one of those will be your potential client, but this one right here is definitely your potential client. What you need to do here is to give them a call, guys, right here. Give them a call or email them, but right here I can't see an email. So yeah, that's another thing. So you can give them a call, guys, and then you can offer to them your services. Buy some your fixed price, specific price, by maybe subscription model. It depends on you, guys, depends on your business model. But right here I'm teaching you that the most important thing in today's world, guys, is not your experience, not your field of knowledge. You do not have to know, as I said, how to do a great marketing, how to make a website for them, how to connect it to a Google account, how to do stuff like that. No, you need to have a good negotiation skills and persistency and discipline, of course. So right here we can give them a call, guys, offer them our services, explain to them that, of course, if they do not do that, Okay, we'll move to the next one. Right here we can see the website, but it's right here doesn't, so we can call him and so on. But I guarantee you guys, every single possible small business wants to grow, at least 99% of them. So they will have a positive reaction to your call, guys. And then what you can offer to them actually is to attract more people, to attract more customers, to give them a best SEO usage, guys, and service. And right here is the platform for you. GoHighLevel.com. Power up your business, elevate your marketing and sales with high levels, all in one platform. And right here you can see, you can watch the demo. 60,000+ customers, 1.4 million businesses, 622 million leads, 14.7 billion plus conversations and everything, guys. Yeah, I mean, I understand maybe you haven't seen something like this because, as I said, this video is dedicated to beginners first, but if you know how to use it, then you're done. I mean, that's all I can say for you. Just find a small business in a small town, guys, contact them, offer them your services, and you're good to go. You know how this job is actually easy when you use Go High Level, guys, but if you don't have any experience, you do not want to invest, guys, you want to pay a couple of $100s for it, then what you need to do is to go, of course, where? Fiverr. Always Fiverr, guys. So right here, or some similar platforms, but you get my point. Go High Level Expert, guys. Right here you can type it in and find some amazing Go High Level experts, guys, that will maybe do every single possible thing about it. They will connect the website, guys, build a website and everything. They will also, I don't know if you know it, but 62% of a call, specifically in the small places, goes unanswered. It ain't matter that this number one plumber is first right here. I guarantee you at least 62% by common knowledge statistic, guys. I mean, you can find it online. 62% of calls goes of course unanswered, and that's something that you need to work for, because that's a huge amount of revenue they are missing. So once they call, clients call them, guys, what you need to set up here is an AI bot that will, after the phone stops ringing, send automatic message. Hey, sorry that I didn't answer your call, but how can I help you? And that's automatically a contact with the client that will, of course, extend that conversation, guys. And then you have another client that you would 100% miss, because they will call another one and another one until someone picks up. But right here, you straight away secure the contact with them and connection with them, guys, and then you can, when you have time, when the plumber is done of work, of course you can contact them, guys, and book, of course, a job. So that's it. And that AI bot is, of course, set where? Right here, Go High Level, guys. So there's plenty of opportunities, plenty of stuff right here that, of course, if you're beginners, don't know about, but trust me, these people do. And you can find the people from India, Philippines, and stuff like that, pay them small amount of dollars, of course, and then you can earn pretty big amount of money. So as I said, negotiation, persistency, and discipline, and that's it. You are a middleman that actually takes the most amount of profit, but of course we're doing that right here, and that's also perfect side hustle for you. So as I said, that's as easy as that, guys. Find a small place, small business, guys, call them and call it every single day until someone says, okay, I'll pay you $1,000 and just bring me 5 or 10 or some amount of customers, guys, to my store, and trust me, it will be good for them, good for you, and good for your outsourcing partner, guys, of course, because they will also earn a decent amount of money. So write down in the comment section what you think about it. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, goodbye.